Hi guys, my name is Tricelle. I am an adult dog collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale. Today, I am going to talk about the Barbie Dream Besties because we do have a new series, a new wave, a series number 2 draws. Dolls have dropped, and I did place an order to get the Ken and the Daisy. Now, I ordered these dolls on Target for $17.99, and I also had a coupon. This was a while ago. I've been holding on to these dolls for a minute. But at any rate, I want to get them open because I want to welcome my new additions. And before I got those open, I'm like, let me open up Wave Series 1. Like, I haven't even got through the rest of my dolls. So I'm going to do that now. So here we have Renee, and Renee is basically a skateboarder who loves trying out new food. So she's a foodie, and her dream is to host a food and travel show, and her favorite activities are skateboarding, basketball, and painting. Favorite class is art. Favorite color, obviously purple, and her favorite thing is her laptop. So here she is. She comes with this cute little cup here. And obviously it's her favorite color, lavender, with a little cream top here. Now she has this cute little purse. It looks like toast with an egg on it. It's super cute. She also has a bag of cheese chips. She comes with a slice of pizza. It's her laptop, and it has like the same toast with the egg on it, and it's super cute lavender. It has the Barbie logo here, and it does close. I forgot to mention her purse does open, so that's super cute. She also has a pretzel, and she has a cell phone with a pretzel on it as well that says enter password here, and she has an ice cream cell phone case cover, which is super cute. And here is how the cell phone looks with the case on it. And I think this is super cute. This is adorable. So out of the packaging, she could use some help. She has like box hair or whatever, so she definitely could use some help. She has like product in her bangs here, and there is some metallic lavender tinsel in her hair. And she has silver metallic earrings with the silver metallic choker. This cute little blouse here with the it's 2 pieces. So the heart is separate from the actual blouse here, as you can see. She also comes with these lavender shorts here and has the little detailing, the little metallic detailing right here, which I think is cute. And she has these lavender boots here. These are super cute. Now, as you know, the Barbie Dreams Besties, they do have some articulation. We have movement at the head, or the movement at the shoulders, the elbow, the wrist, and then there is a knee joint here, which is pretty cool. Or I should say her feet are on a nice little incline there with an arch. She is super cute. Her eyes are really big, but it kind of sets the tone because of the shape of her face. And she has it's like a pastel pink eyelid color with gold highlights, little cat eye going here. And she has like a pink lipstick with a toothy grin. She's really cute. She's super pretty. And I love her little outfit and her ensemble here. So she's super cute. So let's take a look at Brooklyn. So here we have Brooklyn, and she loves expressing herself through dance, both on stage and behind the scenes. Her dream is to become a world famous choreographer. Her favorite activities are making up dance routines, video editing, creative writing. Favorite class is English. Her favorite color is pink. Ironic because she has on all blue. Okay. And her favorite thing is her adorable puppy, which that is so cute. So if you watch the series, you're probably very familiar with her character or whatever. And it's pretty, it hasn't really strayed from Brooklyn's character pretty, her general character overall. And she does come with this cute little purse right here. It says Barbie on the top, and it has a slit, opening, so you could put things inside here, which is really cute, which is pretty on trend. All of the purses and things of that nature were functional. She does come with this radio really here, which we've seen before. And then this looks like maybe a tablet, but it has like a keyboard. I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks like something high tech or whatever. Like, don't get me to trying to guess, but it has a keyboard on it or whatnot. She has a ring light with a stand for her, for her cell phone. I love her cell phone case because it has the Barbie logo right here. I think this is adorable. Her little stance right there, her little outfit. I like Brooklyn. I like all the Dream Besties, truthfully. So I do want to fix up their hair. Yeah, their hair is a hot mess, and I'm going to see if I could fix it or whatever. And then we can try on some fashion, because somebody in the comments had posted, because I had posted about the upcoming release of the series 2 dolls, the Daisy and the Ken, and somebody was like, what clothes can they wear? And I seen a video where somebody tried on Rainbow High stuff on them, saying that they can fit the clothes. And I did find these fashion packs a while ago. They were on sale too. This is a while ago, a minute. So I'm going to try these on both of the dolls to see how it looks. But before I do that, since I'm going to give them like a little makeover, I'm going to try to fix them up. So I'm going to get their hair together and then I'll come on back. I'm just going to see if I could fix it in general, their hair. So yeah. And here is Brooklyn's dog that she adores. I totally forgot to show it when I was talking about the doll, but it looks more like a plushie because the eyes are closed, but here's her dog. Okay, so here they are in their outfits, and the Rainbow High clothes do fit pretty well on the Barbie Dream Bestie dolls. The only thing is, like, if you see their Brooklyn shorts are a little large, just a little bit big for her, but overall not too bad. And then the shoes on Renee in this particular fashion pack are a little bit big, so some of the shoes will work, and I mean, I think you could still get away with it though. And then, as you can see there, the headphones are a little large on Brooklyn, but I made it work because of the way Brooklyn hair is styled, so it was able to work. And the overall, I'm not mad at these fashion packs or what have you. And then I do like the skates that come with the Sunny's fashion pack because they're themed after the characters in Rainbow High. So yeah, this is just super cute. So there is some alternative clothes that you can utilize for the Barbie Dream Besties, because I know not all of the regular Barbie doll clothes will work for these particular dolls. So the fashion pack with the Sunny's fashion pack does come with this cute backpack. And it does open, so you can put little stuff in there, which is a cute little touch. Yeah, it has a little spot in here. So I think this is a cute little, super cute little backpack. And then this particular fashion pack came with these glasses, but it didn't work. They were just too large for the Barbie Dream Bestie doll. But overall, I like these fashion packs for the Barbie Dream Besties. So if you do have these dolls, just know that some of the Rainbow High clothes are going to work for these dolls. So I think it's super, super cute. And I'm always forgetting something. The Barbie, the Rainbow High fashion pack with the bathing suit did come with this coconut drink or what have you with the umbrella. I think this is a super cute touch. So if you did like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Until the next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.